What's shall? What does shall even mean? In this video, I'm gonna answer these questions. What does shall mean? And do people still use it nowadays? And how can you use it? First of all, notice I'm saying shall. Shall. Repeat after me. Shall. 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 Shall means will. That's one meaning. Shall and will are synonyms. Shall can also mean must. They're synonyms. We will see you soon. We shall see you soon. You must study. You shall study. But here's the thing about shall. Shall is outdated. But do people still use it nowadays? Rarely. Some people still use it nowadays after let's to sound less bossy and more polite, or instead of let's. For example, let's leave, shall we? Or shall we leave? Let's means let us. So this is why we say we. Let's begin. Shall we? Shall we begin? Let's dance. Shall we? Shall we dance?
Shall we dance?
That's one way shall is used nowadays. You can also see shall in some contracts and legal and official documents. For example, tenant shall return the keys to the landlord. But even in contracts nowadays, lawyers have stopped using shall because it's open to misinterpretations. Nowadays, they prefer to use must or the present tense. The tenant must return the keys to the landlord. Must is the strongest form of obligation in the English language. It implies consequences. You can never go wrong with must. So, do you really need to use shall in your real life? No, you can use must, and it's better to use must. And if you want, you can still use it instead of let's or after let's. Does it make you sound more advanced if you use shall? Let's see. No, unless you want to write a contract or sound like Shakespeare. Don't use shall, and you can totally speak fluent English without ever having to use shall. My aim is to make your life easier and help you stop wondering about what some words mean and if you ever need to use them in English. Because progress is also about knowing what to learn and what not to learn. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for clicking on my video.